moving out from the district and going to another district in the state, their testing, what has happened and what is the result, should be also compiled separately by us, so that we don't get lost in that. Each of the tests will have some meaning to it, number one, and this category of people, because whenever we are presenting to the CM also, we are not able to really tell with definitiveness what has happened. So I would have somebody compiling for everybody, every group which is moving out from the district, number one, and for every group which is coming from other states. Also, you should tell us what is the protocol you followed for the testing, how many you tested, what was the result, and where you quarantined them. Now today, so I think you just started the migrant labor, you've already reviewed. So what has happened is, yesterday in the cabinet secretary's meeting, whatever they spoke, and today, actually yesterday night, the DO letter has also come from Government of India, from the Home Secretary. This is for all the collectors. Please understand this, something which I have been telling for a long time, and I am glad yesterday first the Honorable Chief Minister agreed to it, not knowing that in the evening the Government of India will also give us a letter. And it was in the press today, I think, in the newspapers. So the point that is being made, all the collectors and joint collectors, please listen to this. The point which is being made is that the national lockdown is continuing. The COVID-19 infection spreads with the movement of people. Therefore, we do not want to move the people and do not want to give permission to them to move. But this lot of people who are migrant labor need to be moved, and the whole exercise is being done for that. And the migrant labor, if I can think properly, is of three types: those who are involved in the agriculture operations, those who have been involved in the industry, those who are involved in the construction work. They have gone to another state or they have come to our state, the agriculture operations are over, or the industry has stopped functioning, or the construction work is completely stopped. We need to move this set of people outside your district and outside the state or inter-district, not others. Those who want to, like the cabinet secretary said yesterday, not those who are staying in the house. They are also distressed. Everybody is distressed, I know that. But this movement which we are doing in the course of our national lockdown, where the movement has to be limited, is for those people, this set of people who are totally distressed, who cannot pay for their ticket, and then we are making them go away. And in all this, the health department and Jawahar and Bhaskar, they have made an effort to give you guidelines on how to test them and how to quarantine them. Please follow it seriously. Later on, if the numbers become huge, movements become huge, we cannot manage, that's a different thing. At this point, a certain protocol has been given to you. I would like that to be followed seriously, even the community quarantine. Again, the CM has stressed on the community quarantine of organizing 10 beds in every village with a committee which will look at this quarantine in the village. So maybe I would also, I think you have covered a few points, Jawahar. Hospital preparedness is over.
Ma'am, I love that they should only be talking, otherwise we have done all part of the job.
Yeah, so you finished hospital preparedness. On the migrant labor, which are the districts you have taken? But
there are 1,600 laborers staying in Ramco factory site now. Actually, they have initially agreed that these people will stay back and they will start their operations again. We gave permission also after the first phase of lockdown. But now they want to go away and they are even setting fire on some of their assets now. So now it is becoming restless and it is becoming larger issue now. But they belong to Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Jharkhand, 3 states now. So even the management is ready to make arrangement for their transportation. I spoke to Piyush Kumar sir. Sir also said that we cannot make arrangement for transportation. Let the management to take their responsibility. I spoke to them. They are ready to take the responsibility now. But the only one issue is that we need to get the NOC from those states to send them out. Even
So
if
that
we
is
accept
what
the
Krishna Babu is supposed to organize, isn't it? The whole.
now some people are convinced that around 200 people are want to stay back.
Okay.
We are trying to
Now
convince them
what
to
you
stay
have
back.
to do is, I think.
Migrant labor, we have nearly 6,800 people, out of them 2,600 are in our relief camps, 700 are from industrial labor, 3,500 belong to other categories, like what Panyansar had said, like standard agricultural labor, then Pani Puri sellers, small time vendors. One issue which even we had the same issue as of Panyansar, Hero Motor Corp had an agitation here. We are also having a word with them to send the migrant labor to their respective home states by making arrangements with the management. Regarding fever survey, which today's back were raised.
No, you have to complete this exercise of this.
186 RTKs pending, 186 RTKs rapid diagnostic kits. We couldn't complete that due to multiple reasons. One, they are not residing in the state. Number two, they have already been expired and they have been wrongly entered. Third reason is they would have moved out of that place. So we have compiled all those reasons and have sent to Bhaskar sir also. There are sure that they would be expired online.
No, but I cannot understand. You all did the survey. You said.
Ma'am, regarding labor, ma'am, who are from other districts and staying in Anantapuram, ma'am, for various work, there are 392, ma'am. Out of that, 285 are supposed to be want to go, ma'am. And 107, we have taken their consent and they are with difficulty, they are ready to stay back and do the work here in the industry, ma'am. Migrant laborers pertaining to other states who are in the district is total 6,508, ma'am. And out of that, 4,898 wants to go and 1,610 they can continue here, ma'am. Agricultural laborers are 537 are agricultural laborers, ma'am. Industrial and unorganized sector discussed migrant laborers 3,531 were. Students who got standard here is 83, pilgrims 214, and people in the relief centers 533. Total 4,898.
So this 533 agricultural labor belong to which state?
Yes. Odisha. Ma'am, they are from two states, Odisha and West Bengal, ma'am.
Okay. So what has been told to you from the? I don't know. Today we didn't really.
For all the districts, ma'am, for all the states. So we were asked to speak to them. So I could speak to one or two nodal officers whether they are willing or not. They are ready to take them, provided if the people here can take care of their travel expenses. So we were asking the people whether they can take care of their own expenses or do they need any support from our side. So in some places they are asking for some support and some places they are ready to go on their own. So we are in the last stages of finalizing these loosens and will be sending them once that if they are ready to bear the cost and the state is ready to take, we are planning to give them the permission and send them along with the complete details and medical the screening and all those as per the guidelines.